If your Samsung TV is not turning on, don't panic, because the problem is often easier to fix than it seems. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps, starting with the easiest fixes so you can get your Samsung TV working again. Step 1. Check the standby light. The first thing you should do is check the red standby light on your Samsung TV. If the light is solid, the TV is receiving power but isn't starting properly. If it is blinking repeatedly, the TV has detected an error during startup. If there is no standby light at all, the TV may not be receiving power from the outlet, the power cord could be loose, or there may be a problem with the internal power supply. Knowing the status of the standby light helps narrow down the possible cause before moving on to other troubleshooting steps. Step 2. Check the TV's power. Power issues are one of the most common reasons a Samsung TV won't turn on. Check that the power cord is firmly connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. If you're using a power strip or surge protector, unplug the TV and connect it directly to a wall outlet instead, since faulty surge protectors can prevent enough power from reaching the TV. You should also test the outlet by plugging in another device, such as a lamp or phone charger, to make sure the outlet itself is working properly. Step 3. Perform a power reset. A power reset can clear temporary software glitches that stop the TV from starting. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet and leave it disconnected for at least 30 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 10 to 15 seconds to discharge any remaining electrical power. Then plug the TV directly back into a working wall outlet and try turning it on using the power button on the TV instead of the remote. This simple reset often restores normal operation without requiring any repairs. Step 4. Check the remote control. Sometimes the problem isn't the TV at all, but the remote control. Try turning the TV on using the physical power button located on the TV. If the TV turns on, replace the batteries in the remote with fresh ones and make sure nothing is blocking the remote sensor on the TV. If your Samsung remote uses Bluetooth, repairing the remote with the TV may also solve the issue. Testing the TV with its built-in power button quickly determines whether the remote is causing the problem. Step 5. Disconnect external devices. External devices connected through HDMI can sometimes interfere with the TV's startup process. Turn the TV off and unplug all connected devices, including streaming sticks, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, cable boxes, and soundbars. Leave only the power cable connected and try turning the TV on again. If the TV starts normally, reconnect each device one at a time until you find the one causing the problem. Step 6. Check the One Connect box. If your Samsung TV uses a One Connect box, inspect all of its connections carefully. Turn off the TV, unplug both the TV and the One Connect box from power for about 30 seconds, and then reconnect the One Connect cable securely at both ends before plugging everything back in. A loose or damaged One Connect cable can prevent compatible Samsung TVs from powering on correctly.